Here we come to the freight elevator at the Keaton Arts Center at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. It's a Southern. I didn't even know UNC had a freight elevator. Just found this on the records. All right, here it is. Corian doors. Oh! Diesel DC is a real live train engine! Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I did not mean to slam that gate. That scared me. I think these are GAL fixtures. Yeah, these look like, it's gotta be older GAL. This was installed in 1982. All right, let's get on the beat. Here we go. Let's go up to 1. Get a detailed cab view. We'll go for one more ride and that'll be it. Wow, this is so worth checking out. Here's your phone. All right, I'm gonna put in 4K mode and we'll go for one ride. All right, up to 1 end there. All right, I'm gonna try to make sure I don't slam this gate when I open. All right, hopefully I don't bang that gate again. Outside door's a little bit heavy. I love these fixtures. Oh, I also forgot to show that. Southern elevator from based out of Greensboro. All right, let's close it up. This gate closes nice and easy. You know what? Get that strap inside. We're doing like school tours, which is why you hear someone talking. Well, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.